If you work in sales and you need to make at least twice as much as you do right now to truly enjoy your life, you've really only got three options. Option number one, you can continue to do what you do right now, working your butt off, hoping for some sort of miracle where you start making twice as much money as you do right now. Or option number two, you can get your resume out there and look for some sort of new job where you can make twice or three times more money than you're making right now. Probably unlikely. Or option number three, you can learn a simple new sales process that's going to show you how to prospect, close, negotiate, so you can make twice or three times more money than you're making in the same job right now with the same products at the same territory in the exact same comp plan. Hi, my name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. We want to show you an easier way to sell. We want to show you how the Easton University Learning Portal can help you sell twice as much as you're selling right now within about 60 days. You're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. I'm going to be there with you every step of the way to help you double or triple the amount of money that you're making right now in the exact same job with the exact same comp plan. Click the link here, enter your information. We'll even send you some free coaching videos that will change your life right here, right now. Easton University is more than an on-demand sales coaching portal. It's more than live coaching with me twice a week. It's your future. Click the link now, enter your information. We want to help you double the amount of money you're making in sales right here, right now. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.